So your name is Wazid, is it?
Wajid Sajid.
Okay, okay. So Wazid Sajid. So how are
Yeah.
you, brother?
Amazing, amazing. What about you? Tell me about
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah, I'm doing great. So how was your day today?
Actually, my day was going just amazing, and it's going to be good as usual.
Okay, okay, that's so
So,
lovely. Okay. So where are you from?
actually, yeah, it's my turn to introduction myself.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. Please.
actually, my name is Wajid Sajid. I am from Pakistan, the province of Sindh. Yeah, currently I am studying in the third year of the university. I am software engineer, and my hobbies is that I am a small YouTuber too, and the thing is that I am a loner type person. Okay, and some kind.
Okay.
So my hobby is like reading the books, write the columns. I also a little bit writer. I used to write the columns in newspapers here, and these are my hobbies. Little bit, nothing
Okay,
else.
okay. Okay, that's so lovely, brother. So I have mentioned my state. So do you know which is my country? Did, did you get it? Which
Actually,
is
I
country?
didn't.
Where
No,
do
no.
you know which is my country? Where I
India.
from? Yes, yes. Actually, I didn't
You
know
are,
you were from Pakistan. That is why I told you I'm from West Bengal. So if I knew that you were from Pakistan, then generally I told you that I'm from India. Okay, that is why I
yeah,
was
yeah,
asked. Okay, that's
yeah,
so
yeah.
lovely.
I know the West. I because I know the West Bengal is in India.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you know Bengali?
But
Do you know Bengali?
no, I don't know the Bengali, but the cities, the famous cities, I know about India because I am
And
also
have
the
you ever
student of
been
current
to?
affairs.
Okay, that's so lovely. Have you ever been to India?
No, no, never. But I wish to be in future, inshallah. And I wish
Definitely.
to be visit. I wish to visit the Taj Mahal. It's my favorite place ever.
Wow, wow, wow. That's so lovely. Definitely, you should visit there. So actually, are you doing anything like what do you do generally right now? By profession, are you doing anything?
Other than study, I do nothing. When I get the time, I create the content related to English grammar, the content related to my the field like software engineering. I used to upload the videos regarding grammar, regarding to my computer programming language. And now I have also started the journey to converse with the different kind of people around the world. And these conversations I
Okay, okay, that's so lovely. That's so lovely. So, like you are from Pakistan. So, if I want to visit Pakistan or if I want to travel Pakistan, which place I can visit or which place I should not miss?
yeah. There is the lots of plates. It's somehow difficult to tell you a particular one,
Which is
but
your favorite? You can tell me your favorite one.
my favorite is Lahore, Islamabad, and Karachi.
Okay, okay, that's so lovely. So,
The,
why these places are famous or your favorite?
yeah, because if I talk about the Karachi, it is a big city. It is also known as a city of lights. Okay,
Wow.
and and the special thing about the Karachi, it is in Karachi, everywhere you can find the goods and service with the cheapest price. Okay,
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, that's right. And if I talk about the Islamabad or Lahore, in this sites there is natural beauty is more and more. There's like mountains, valleys, like natural sceneries are very very well. So that's why I
Oh,
like.
wow. So, okay, okay. So you were talking about nature. That it means that you are nature lover.
Yeah, 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 exactly.
Okay, that's so lovely. I really love this type of personality who love nature, trees, this type of thing, natural beauty. Because there is something which can make us really happy in nature.
Do you know? I am also used to uh, read the philosophy. So love cannot be specified only one thing. People nowadays the word love is very very used with a particular thing. It is very very used uh, misuse this word love love. We can love every, yeah, we can love
Yes,
the,
yes.
we can love the universe, we can love the nature, we can love the person. But why I don't know, people are only stuck when it comes to love. We have particular two couples or that kind of thing. The love,
Okay, I got.
yeah,
Okay, so you are natural lover, I think.
yeah, right.
Correct. Love is something which we can't, because usually we make love is a word which is really so interesting because we can add love on anything like trees, a person, or any particular thing as well.
So,
That is why.
according to you, according to you, what should be the definition of love?
Yeah, like love, according to me, love is something which is not forgettable. I've already told you that. And love is something which can make us happy. And love is, it is not that love means love can be just only for person but also for things and animals as well. So we can love animals, we can love trees, we can love any things also, because in this time there could be some things like a particular things like you can love books. So book is not a person but you love book. So that is why you can say love is not just a word, love is emotion, and there are multiple things in love, I think.
Ex-
I i thought I have not that much knowledge, but I tried to answer you.
yeah, yeah. You are going to be correct because there is no any a particular definition of love. Some people used to fall in love with books, as you mentioned. Some people are used to fall in love in nature. Some people are used to fall with their relations, their loved ones. And do you know? I want to share the one quotation of Gautam Buddha. Do you hear about the name Gautam Buddha?
Yeah,
Gautam Buddha.
I know Buddha. I know
Yeah, yeah.
him.
Once when someone asked the Gautam Buddha that what is the difference between I love you and I like you? And Gautam Buddha,
Yeah.
you might be
Yes.
heard quotation. The Gautam Buddha replied that if you like the flowers, you just pluck it. But if you love the flower, but if you love the
Oh,
flower, you daily water it. That,
okay, that's so lovely. Actually, I think I have heard about it, but in a different way. That is why I was not getting. So, but I have heard about it. Okay, that's so lovely. Yeah, actually, Gautam Buddha is really great personality. Was
uh,
actually that is why
I
everything.
I
Yeah, go on.
I want to say just that I'm a big fan of Gautam Buddha because he defined us how to live in this world. Okay, uh, there is a famous quotation is also all is pain, all is suffering, all is worries. Okay, so he say in this universe you get the suffer, you will be feel pain, but the thing is that you know the skill how to handle and how to overcome all these things. So if you
Correct,
handle these all the things, then you will be do anything which you want in future.
correct, 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 bro.
So
Okay.
yeah, I want to ask you one question. Apart of you, apart from the YouTube, what do you do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I say what do you do apart from YouTube?
What
Study?
apart from YouTube, what do I do? Actually, I'm a student right now. I study in class 12th grade, so I study, and I really love to make content, and that is why I'm doing that. So in general, I'm not doing anything, but I do teach my, cousins, my sister, my nephew, niece, all of them. I really love the profession teaching. In future, I will teach.
And
Okay.
your speaking is very very well. And I also see your two videos. Okay, uh, on you are talking
Oh,
the platform of Clapingo, I think. And yeah, Yeah, just say I also interact nowadays. I also interact with the YouTubers, and if you get any time, then I just say to you that you can visit on my YouTube channel. I have also upload my one conversation with name Lalita. I also make the conversation with Lalita me, and after that, if you give me the permission, I also use upload this video on my YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
yeah, 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 yeah. It's my pleasure. You can upload it, and I really curious to check your channel, check out your channel. Definitely send me your channel link because after having this session, I was thinking to ask you about your channel. So you have told me that it's my pleasure. So please send me your channel link, okay? And definitely I will check out and I will subscribe your channel, okay? And definitely I will follow your channel. Keep uploading, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Actually, in generally, I whom I talk, I generally subscribe their channel. I continuously I check out their videos, and sometimes I comment them. I really appreciate them. So it's my pleasure. So keep uploading video. And one suggestion is that just talk every day because how much you will, the more you will talk, the more you will be fluent. Okay.
Okay, it's so kind
Okay.
of you.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
there
It was. Yeah.
if you have any question or anything, share with me.
No. Okay, okay. So actually, I got to know a lot of thing about you. So it was lovely talking to you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
In,
take care, brother. Bye for today. Okay.
okay,
So if you have
same.
anything, any question, then you can ask me. And if after completing this, and if you get to know any question, then you can text me. Okay. Definitely, I will try to answer.